Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can cancel Google One subscription. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, so I want to cancel the Google One subscription from here. First of all, we need to go to our Google account. I'm gonna click on this Google account and then we can choose manage your Google account. Okay, and wait. Here guys, you just need to go to the payments and subscriptions. Okay, and you're going to select the Google One, of course. Okay, as you can see, I have subscribed to the Google One and I'm going to show you how we can cancel the subscription. You can click on manage subscriptions. Okay, then select the Google One and you will be able to cancel it here. Okay, just click on cancel subscription to stop the subscription to Google Drive. Okay, I'm just going to click on close. And okay guys, that's all the way to cancel Google One subscription. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.